Have you ever found yourself in a pickle? Well, I have, and that's why I'm making garlic dill, jalapeno, extra spicy, refrigerator pickles. Brofist doesn't like cucumbers.
You want them flat or you want them crunchy?
Start by preparing your cucumbers. Cut them any way you like. One of the most important steps in making pickles is salting them. Normally I would use kosher salt, but I did not have any. Salt them real good, stir them up and salt them again. Let them sit for 15 minutes, then rinse them 2 times. The jalapenos are mostly for flavor. The cayennes are what gives it heat. If you just want really garlicky dill pickles, leave out the peppers. Otherwise, hold on to your pants. These are spicy. Check out that homegrown garlic and homegrown cayennes. Chop up some fresh dill. Add some whole black peppercorns. You can't forget your mustard seeds. Add your fine sea salt. Slice up some onions. Equal parts white vinegar and water. Add your sugar. Give them a good rinse and then hit it with a salad slammer. Oh, that smells good. I can't wait to eat these pickles. If you're going to make pickles, get yourself a proper canning funnel. Mix it up to incorporate the flavors. Fill the jar 3/4 of the way with your cucumber slices, then pour the hot liquid over it. Let the cucumbers cool to room temperature before putting the lid on. Put these bad boys in the refrigerator. Try not to eat them right away. If you can wait 2 or 3 days, they're even that much better. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.